Have you ever wondered what would happen if the Earth stopped rotating? Well, hold on to your hats, folks, it's about to get wild. Our planet, this colossal sphere we call home, is perpetually spinning on its axis. It's this continuous rotation that gives us our 24-hour days and nights. Imagine, if you will, the Earth coming to a sudden grinding halt. No more twirling, no more spinning, just stillness. Now, you might be picturing a peaceful, serene scenario, but let's not get ahead of ourselves. This isn't some cosmic pause button. The reality would be far from tranquil. The Earth's rotation doesn't just dictate our day and night cycles, it also influences our weather patterns, ocean currents, and even the shape of our planet. So if the Earth stopped spinning, would we all fly off into space? Not so fast, or rather, not so slow. First, let's tackle the gravity of the situation. Get it? Gravity? Never mind. Gravity, as we know, is the force that keeps us tethered to the Earth. It's like an invisible string that pulls everything towards the center of our planet. But if the Earth stopped spinning, would we suddenly be flung into the vast expanse of space? Contrary to popular belief, the answer is a resounding no. You see, the Earth's rotation does cause a slight outward force. This force, however, is about 1,000 times weaker than the pull of gravity. So, even if the Earth came to a screeching halt, this wouldn't change significantly. We'd still be firmly planted on the ground, albeit experiencing a slight increase in our weight. So, let's put that myth to rest. A sudden stop wouldn't send us hurtling into the cosmos. So, no space travel for us, but what about our day and night? Imagine this. One side of the Earth in perpetual daylight, the other in eternal night. Sounds like a vampire's paradise, right? But let's take a closer look. If Earth stopped spinning, our day-night cycle would be drastically altered. With Earth's rotation at a standstill, one half of the world would always be facing the sun. This side would experience an unending, scorching day. The temperature would rise dramatically, making it uninhabitable for most life forms. On the flip side, the other half of the Earth would be plunged into a permanent, freezing night. Without the sun's warmth, temperatures would plummet, creating an icy, hostile environment. This would result in two extreme halves, one a blazing desert, the other a frigid wasteland. Life as we know it would have to adapt in ways we can hardly imagine. Well, that's one way to avoid sunburns, but wait, there's more. Now let's get into the meaty stuff, the catastrophic consequences. If the Earth stopped rotating, the first thing we'd notice would be the extreme weather conditions. The constant sunlight on one side and the endless night on the other would create superstorms, unlike anything we've ever seen. Next up, ocean redistribution. Most of the water would be pulled to the poles by gravity, leaving a giant landmass around the equator. Imagine a world where the Pacific and Atlantic Oceans are mere memories replaced by a mega-continent. And let's not forget the possible extinction of life. With half the world scorched by constant sunlight and the other half frozen in eternal darkness, survival would be a real challenge. Plants, animals, and even us humans could be wiped out in this stark new world. So remember folks, let's keep our world spinning, and while you're at it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more crazy science scenarios.